Okay guys, Scrambler 400X. I found a little bit of a byway that I am allowed to ride on, and beautiful countryside. And I'm just gonna take you guys along. This is the first outing on some gravel, so let's see how this goes. This what do you call it? The side stand is pretty tall, so just be aware of it. But look, that is the view of the bike. So this is how it looks like when you look out. Really nice Triumph little logo here on this. I see a lot of people take this out, so it gives again another little feel of it. But yeah, 1,178 miles. You don't have to pull in the clutch like all the other Triumphs. But yeah, let's go for a little cruise and explore this little what do you call it, byway. Okay. So this is where the Karua Street really works well. It's just a really nice tire, and this is the stuff that I would like to do. To stand up a bit, yeah. There's a big old hole, but the grip feels good. Whoa, massive hole. The grip feels good. But yeah, ooh, another big old ndonga, they call it in South Africa, meaning a big old hole. And this is what I want to sort of get you guys feedback on. Just what is the tire pressure that you guys run? Be quite interesting. There's so many bugs about. It is it's pretty crap. I'm waking the people up here. This is now on 4th. Morning. You can see now. That guy's face. Oh no! There's a motorbiker here. I'm so annoyed. You know, it's like come on, dude. You know. Sorry for the slow speed, but I haven't. Oh, it's just really a lot of bugs and stuff. This is pretty muddy in the winter. Yes, there's a lot of bugs. Bugs and flies. They sit on your eyelids. Oh, this is great stuff. Yeah, we had some rain last night. Oh, another owner. Morning. Smile and be friendly, then they will be friendly to you. But this is sort of why I try and get out as early as possible to not annoy the locals. But ooh, the bike is going to be muddy. But yeah, it feels very stable. You know, very stable. Whew, lovely. It's got a lot of torque in 4th gear. That's it. How do you like that? The 400X's first little off-road section. Yeah, I wasn't going very fast, but if I was going fast, it would probably annoy the people. But it's like riding off-road in any case on UK normal tar roads, because the roads is just absolutely crap at the moment. Where do we go? Just listen to that vibration of the engine or the exhaust within that small little gap. It just sounds brilliant. The roads are wet, but even in 5th gear it picks up so nice. The pickup is so nice. Now just some quick feedback. You know, in slow traffic, where you jump between first, second, the second and third, it is a little bit jerky. But again, as I said in one of my previous videos, if you learn how the bike rides and where it is on that specific throttle opening, then it's not that bad. It's not something that annoys me, and that is great. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It is a beautiful 18 degrees out this morning. And I've got my my GS gloves on. Let's go to the right. Beautiful little road. Woohoo! But yeah, it's a really nice easy to ride bike. 30 miles per hour. You see now, slow down, gear down, nice little burbles, brilliant. Then I'm sitting in 4th. Usually 4th works perfect in the 30 mile an hour zones. But yeah, I'm on my got my GS gloves on. They are falling apart. I need a sponsorship. No, I'm just kidding. But I really need to get to a shop to go and try on some what do you call it, off-road gloves, or yeah, just some off-road gloves with nice knuckle and nice palm protection. And if anyone has got some recommendations for a short gloves, I don't need it to be super cool, meaning the airflow mustn't be too much, because the weather in the UK is never super hot, and I would like to use the gloves more as an all-season glove rather than just a summer glove. But these ones are so old, but the leather and stuff is so nicely worn in that it's just very comfortable. So can't go wrong. But yeah, if you've got any recommendations for gloves, please drop it in the comments below. That will be awesome. If you've also got any recommendations for boots, like I've got the Andis Alpine Stars, really nice boots, but the change pad and stuff is worn out. and the boots is just pretty old. But again, they're comfortable. So what is your guys' feeling about replacing boots if they are older than 5-8 years, say? Do you replace the stuff and say, okay, well, they've done this the stint, I would like to buy some new protection or the latest protection? What is your thoughts about that? What's your thoughts on protective gear? And maybe I'll do a separate video on protective gear and just my thoughts on that. But yeah, so I really need a new pair of gloves. My winter gloves is also very old, but they are so comfortable. But they they probably need a bit of replacing. It's like wearing a nice pair of shoes, man. As soon as it's worn in, it's just you just want to keep on wearing them. But yeah, beautiful roads, nice countryside. This is sort of what I enjoy doing on a bike like this. And when I need to turn around or stop quickly or whatever, it's not a massive heavy bike. But then again, you know, if I'm sitting on the motorway to Wales for most of my rides, where I spend loads of time on the motorway, you know, you're definitely going to need a little screen on this thing, and just to make it a bit more bearable, just to get a bit of the wind off your chest. It just allows you to have a bit more protection. Woo! But yeah, very friendly and usable power. Oh, is this where I come out? Actually, I'm gonna go to this side. Oops. Trying to pull away and forth. That never works. Nice, like it. Let me know in the comments if this bike has got the turn 6 signal auto cancellation. I can't remember. I haven't checked the manual, so would like to know that. So we're here in Bradfield at the moment. Again, I'm sitting in 6, and the bike is happy to ride 30 miles an hour in 6 gear. I usually tap it down a few once, down to 4th, just to get the revs up a bit. Whoa! Beautiful location here. And yeah, having a nice suspension that soaks up the bumps, it makes it really nice to ride these little back roads, because it just soaks it up. It's nice and comfortable. And there we go. Yeah, you know, I must say the gearing for me on this is brilliant. It's brilliant. What I might do is actually, when I try and get the screen fitted, I might get the guys to put another gear on for me, the Streets, the Triumph Speeds front gear, just to try it out, see how it feels. But yeah, now I'm doing 55, nice speed to have enough clearance in front of you, and also, if there's any problems in the road, to react. I know younger riders has got way more what do you call it, reaction time, but the older you get, the slower the reaction time is. You have to take that into consideration. Specifically if you haven't ridden a bike in a long time, is to make sure that you take it slow and enjoy the ride, rather than just trying to get there at Mach 1 speeds. and not be able to ride the next day because you're lying in the hospital. Learn the roads first and the capability of the bike before you go and smash it out. Okay guys, well that's it from me. I just wanted to quickly bring you guys along to this little ride, just to give you a bit of a byway feel. Yes, it's super slow. I am a new off-road rider. I'm not gonna say anything else about that. But yeah, take it slow, enjoy the bike. If you've got any questions about the 400X, please drop it in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.